Chandigarh's most famous car, the Lamborghini Murcielago. Even check out the exhaust note of this car. Really one of the beautiful Audis ever made. Brutal. So guys, we are finally here in Chandigarh. So I started off my journey from my hometown, and then I went to Delhi, and then I did some drift practice over there for my next drift event where I'm going to be performing a drift show with my drift car. So it's going to be the first time. And from Delhi I came to here Chandigarh to feature an insane collection of cars. The collection includes, a Lamborghini Murcielago, R35 GTR, and a lot of cool cars. So I will be seeing all those cool cars, and it's gonna be fun. So this video is gonna be in a POV style. I've got my new chest strap for it, so I'll be switching the angle, I'll be switching the phone for the chest strap, and you guys will watch everything in a POV style format. So this is gonna be cool. So hop on and watch till the end. So guys, we are here at Mr. Zorawar Singh's garage. So that's the Lamborghini Murcielago that I was talking to you about, and we have the other cars as well. So soon we'll be taking all these cars outside, and then I'll show you guys in a proper lighting. Oh, and then we got the G55 G-Wagon as well. Check it out. So guys, that's the Audi RS6. We are just unveiling it. Each and every car in this collection is unique. Is definitely unique. And then now the GTR. We'll also unveil the GTR. Let's have a look. That bronze wheels with the red color goes too good. Goes too good. One of the best modified GTR in the country for sure. This is epic. Oh shit. That was freaking loud, guys. That's the sound of the proper V12. The V12 with a single exhaust coming in the center. I mean, just check that exhaust. Wow. So now guys, we are about to take the Mercy outside, and then let's just go. Oh my god, scissor doors. I guess it's gonna be hard for me to get inside. Yeah. It's much better, guys, outside. Just check it out, guys. This is how you can reverse a Mercy. Even check out the exhaust note of this car. What an amazing car, guys. I mean, just check out the looks of this RS6, guys. Really one of the beautiful Audis ever made. So guys, we have parked all these cars here right now. So we have the owner of this beautiful collection, Mr. Zorawar Singh, over here. So nice to see you, sir. So nice to see you. And then all of your cars, it's just beautiful.
Thank you.
So each and every car that you have in this collection is unique. Is definitely unique. So we just wanted to know the story of each and every car that you have.
First and foremost, I am Zorawar Singh, and better known as Cycle Drive on Instagram and everywhere else. I've had quite a journey with all these cars. They're all my dream cars. But at the end of the day, I'm not the kind of person who can afford them outright and buy them, at retail values, in the market. So I've had quite a journey with each of the cars. I've always been the kind of person to buy the worst example of the best cars available in India. It has been my passion and my profession. I've been running a garage for the past 13 odd years, and that's where my journey started. What you see today is the culmination of all these 13 years. I have bought and owned close to 150 odd cars in
Amazing.
the past.
This is the car. This is the most Chandigarh's most famous car, the Lamborghini Murcielago. Everyone is fan of this car. I remember Zorawar sir called me in Bangalore when he bought this car, and then it was in shit condition. It was the shittiest car you can see. The rats were all over, and then the car were not able to move, guys. But right now it's in mint condition. So how was the journey with this car, sir?
So this car has specially been very, very close to my heart because it took me close to 3.5, 4 years to hunt down a Murcielago and buy it. I was previously wanting and trying to buy a black car which came into the market, but that slipped out of my hands. There was another yellow car, and this was the last opportunity wherein I knew that I could really get it. There was a very dear friend of mine who was part of the auction system. He helped me out tremendously. Shout out to Chandresh, a very, very dear friend. He helped me out to get this because not too many people in the market were willing to put their hands onto this vehicle, basically because of the condition of the car. I knew I would be able to get it done, and we went all in and picked up this beauty from the income tax auction in Bangalore,
Nice.
where it was in shambles.
Is it Mr. Chandresh
Yes, totally.
Tolia? Yeah, nice. He owns an R32 GTR, right? Yeah, that was an amazing car as well. So as you guys can see right now, I'll just show you everything over here. So just check out all the interior, the old school interior, and you get this beautiful scissor doors. Just go open like that, and then just check out all the interior over here. Just check out that steering wheel, guys. Have you ever seen a Lamborghini with this type of a steering wheel? I mean, I bet you can't see it. So that's how cool this Murcielago is. And then you got the beautiful bat wings over here as well. And this car was featured in the Dark Knight movie, guys. Alfred asked Bruce Wayne, "Do you want a Batmobile?" But he said, instead of Batmobile, I want a Lamborghini. So that's the same Murcielago Bruce Wayne drives, and it's just beautiful. And then just check out that V12, guys. Definitely. Oh my God. Just check it out.
So I considerably made it a point to keep the car in as close to the condition I bought it in. I was able to do all the work mechanically. We actually dismantled the whole vehicle and put it back together, repaired everything, put it all back. But there are these what I can say battle scars, and these things give the car a lot of character.
Correct.
So this is wear and tear which happened because for 7-8 years the car was lying open to the elements. So this is all patina. This all is part of the story of the vehicle.
For sure.
So I have maintained this. I didn't go through the whole restoration. I did what was necessary on the car to drive it and enjoy the vehicle, and I've been enjoying it since. I have driven close to 2,500 kilometers already.
Oh, wow.
In the past 1 year. So this is virtually the most driven Murcielago at this point of time.
For sure.
I drive it quite a bit. So yeah, you can see that.
So this is actually what he described. This is the battle scar, guys. This tells the story of how the car started and how it is now. So definitely that's the 6.5 liter V12, last of its kind in Lamborghini. Yeah, this is just beautiful. So I can just keep talking about this car, guys. The entire vlog I just keep.
So the car is very. If you minutely look, it's all full of carbon fiber inside. All the panels are carbon fiber.
Yeah.
The frame is carbon fiber. The bumpers are carbon fiber. So this was a car which was built with a lot of purpose, and this in essence is the last of what the Lamborghinis were. So if you look at the Moira, you look at the Countach, you look at the Diablo, then you look at the Murcielago, they all fall in line with the Lamborghini way of life and how they build their cars.
Yeah.
The signature wedge shape. And then suddenly the Aventador was a complete Audi product.
Correct.
So this is the last true Lamborghini you can really have, and I am I'm really happy that this is one of only 7 cars in India.
For sure. The most rarest Lamborghini in India, for sure. And then you also got a kill switch over
You
there,
have a
guys.
kill switch, which is very convenient. So in case the car has to be parked for long term, and in case you don't want anybody to touch this car, this is a cool feature.
Yeah.
You, me, all the Mercy owners know that you can turn this off and nobody dares to touch the vehicle.
Amazing. So just like I told you guys, we can just go on and on about talking this car. But let's just save that stuff and then we'll move to the next beautiful car that we have in the collection, the R35 GTR. So what's the story of this car, sir?
This car also, like the Mercy, I picked up from Hyderabad from a very, very nice gentleman who was, who had given me the chance to buy this car. This car had this car has twin turbo system. One of the turbos had an issue. So, giving you a little bit of history on the vehicle, this car was built for Naga Chaitanya.
Nice.
Che, as you call him, he's a very, very big,
very
down
famous
south and a
actor.
big car guy.
Yeah.
So this car was bought from him by another gentleman, and then the car was shooting white smoke from one exhaust pipe.
Oh.
I got in touch with Malcolm, who was at that time working with Alpha Logic, and a big part of that was Imran Majid.
Yeah.
The guy with the fastest
Nissan GTR in the country, yeah.
He really helped me out and came out of the way to help me out and got me in touch with Malcolm, and we were able to rebuild the engine again and give this a forged internal heart. So this engine, as Malcolm says, easily can make close to 1200 horsepower.
Crazy.
But I'm still running stock turbos. That could possibly be for another day.
Yeah.
But, we rebuilt the engine. We went through 6-7 months of hardship, but it all came together really well.
Amazing. So of course, Alpha Logic is one of the best team to work on the GTRs.
Yes, but I would say Malcolm is the true king. He really knows how to work on these cars. You should tag him on the page.
For sure.
He's called Magnanimous Builds.
For sure.
And,
For sure.
He works for a company called Pro Race now.
Amazing. Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff. So as you guys can see, the car this is truly one GTR, guys. I mean, just check out the bodyworks over here in this car. Everything is so cool. I'll just show you the interior as well. Before that, just check out that spoiler. How massive it is. God. This is amazing. Just check out the interior, guys. The interior, the accents, the color also go so well with the color of the car. Everything is well made, guys. Everything is personally made and it's specced so good. This is amazing. So this car reminds me of the Egoist edition that Joey has. So this is like similar to that kind of, that red and black vibe.
Joey has a very, very beautiful spec on his car.
Yeah.
This would not come close, but I respect. He has a very eclectic collection and he's a gem of a guy.
For sure, for sure. Yeah. So let's move on to another beautiful car. I mean, Zorawar doesn't have only sports cars, but he also have this gem of a SUV, guys. G55 AMG G-Wagon. Just check it out. So what's the story of this car, sir?
This G-Wagon was with a very dear friend of mine. It had been meticulously maintained and kept. Sadly, because of the Delhi rule of being unable to drive the cars, I've always liked the G-Wagon, and
yeah,
the best G-Wagon is the G55 because this is an old school truck, and for the reliability, the 5.5 liter supercharged engine is the best engine reliability wise for this chassis. So this whole thing works very well. I recommissioned some 18-inch wheels out of a Touareg to fit in all-terrain tires on this. So
yeah, the tires are massive.
Yeah, these wheels are out of a Volkswagen Touareg 2006. Yeah, some wizardry going on because thankfully I have a garage.
Yeah,
I can do all these stupid things.
So I guess you built you got a garage just to build your cars.
Absolutely. And suspension is not the best on G-Wagons. So the first thing I did was put Ironman suspension on it. We have a 2.5-inch lift on the Ironman suspension, put 18-inch wheels.
Wow.
285 profile all-terrain tires. We did regular servicing, the spark plugs, the engine mounts, the belts, all the visibility there. And the car is reliable. I use it daily along with the RS6. We'll get
Crazy.
into that, yeah. So
Crazy.
This surprisingly is one of the cars which did not have much work, like the other car. I mean, unlike the other cars.
But when I saw this car, I thought you restored this just like the Mercy.
No,
But
no.
you were lucky.
Yeah, I was very lucky with this car.
Amazing. So this car is V12 compressor. If you guys doesn't know what a compressor means, sorry, V8 compressor. Sorry for that. If you guys doesn't know what compressor means, it means the car has a supercharger in it. So yeah, this car has a supercharger in it, and just check out that exhaust outlet, guys. Just check it out. It's like some sports car or something. It's so cool. I'll just show you the interior as well. The opening sound of the door is old school, and then just check it out. Check out the interior. Even today, you won't get this luxurious interior in most of the cars. That's how cool it is. Just check it out. This is so cool. Wow, it's amazing. So yeah, we had a amazing tour on the cars. So this is not yet done. So now, guys, we are getting inside the Murcielago and then going to take for the spin. Let's do this. This is the doors. Let's get in.
Slowly. No, yeah.
Quick. That's brutal. That's the raw V12, guys. Oh, shit.
Feel it out.
Oh, downshifts are crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. I guess you guys can also feel that G-force from the video. So guys, we just finished a short drive in the Mercy. Now we are heading back. So guys, as you can see, now I'm super tired after the early morning flight and after all the shoots. I'm super tired. So this is the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you like more if you want more POV videos like this, comment down, and do not forget to follow, subscribe Professor D.Piston and Generation Speed for more such amazing car content like this. See you in the next video.